Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XL in Oxford White. It has ebony cloth interior, seating for four doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and a 6-foot box. A 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a reverse camera, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Engine speaker in the door, as well as power windows and locks. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and that's the high mount rear light and the controls for your mirrors. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system, as well as your buttons for your controls on your display screen, LCD screen. And when we start up the vehicle, you're going to see the important messages, your odometer reading, as well as a menu. So we can toggle through trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center we're seeing a little cubby to put items, and as well we can touch on our screen here, go into our media, AM, FM, you have your volume and tuner, and when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. There's your hazard lights and your climate control with your AC and max AC, and you also have your front and rear defrost, a couple of 12-volt outlets as well as USB, and you have auto stop start, locking differential, tow haul, and traction control. There's your 4x4. You have an automatic select shifter, as well emergency parking brakes right beside the driver. A couple of cup holders. Your armrest has a nice little bin in there that you can open up and put items in there. Glove compartment off to the side. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. You have your lighting controls, and you also have a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. And I'll just mention as well that you have all these different options that you can touch on the screen here, but you can also control them from your steering wheel. So for instance, when I press the home button or I go into the settings, they will display on the screen for you as well. So you're seeing along with your radio, you've also got Bluetooth and mobile apps and so forth. 16-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch. Got a nice drop-in line box, as well as tie downs in each corner. And when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door. In the back, you have seating for 2, and I've taken the seat off. I just wanted to show you underneath. You just turn this, and you've got a nice little bin for storage. And then on the other side, that other bin under the other seat has the jack. Now these seats have a design or a picture on the back to show you how it goes, and they've also got clips, and they go into the holes that you're seeing here. And so you just hook them in, slide it into place, and then you just push it down and it's back in its original position. And so you're seeing the nice vinyl flooring, but it also comes with all weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you also have a 12-volt down below. And in the back there's a nice sliding window with rear defrost, and up above, hooks and lighting. Black bumper, mud flaps, 6-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, manually adjusting side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.